Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use the face punch effect in this beautiful AI website I found called higgsfield.ai, where you get to actually use hundreds of visual effects for free. Now this is how to create a face punch on this particular AI website. All you have to do is to log in and scroll to the visual effects section. Then you will see the list of visual effects. Look for the face punch one, click on it, or open it in a different tab, and you'll be brought to a page like this where you can see samples of videos created using this particular effects. Now all you have to do is to click on generate, so you can see examples here of some. This is face punch so you can get an idea of how the effects would look like. So click on generate on once you've seen enough, and then you'll be brought to a page where you can actually upload your image that you want to apply this if particular effect to. Now you can click here, and then you would be able to upload it from your system, and then if you have extra prompt, you can input it in this prompt area. But if you do not have, you can just go on to choose the model you want depending on the availability of your credits. But once you're done, just click on generate, and this will take 5 seconds, 5 credits for generation. Now you can see the different models they have, so depending on what you want to go for, you can choose any of these. Now this Higgsfield light is quite fast, basic speed, standard queue. This is faster, but you can see all of these ones have premium, so you must be on a paid plan for you to be able to afford them. So once you're done, just click on generate in this